Gemini can be a great tool in actually creating an automated script for you. So I started out with this prompt, Gemini, that I had a Google form, then I wanted it to create a template from a Google Sheet. I told it that it had a specific ID. I wanted it to write a Google Apps script that will create a mail merge from the spreadsheet data in the Google Doc. And I would like those Google Doc files to be added to a specific Google folder. I even gave it the information about the column headers, and Gemini went through and actually created a script, and it included the information that I gave it, and I actually put in some dummy information into my spreadsheet and had it create the Google Doc. And when I created my Google Doc, I realized that I didn't get the intended outcome. It actually didn't provide the information in my script. So I went back to Gemini and I said, hey, you need to make a change. I'm using the following placeholders in the Google Doc, and I actually listed all of the placeholders there, and I pasted them in, and it iterated the script and said, oops, I didn't realize you did that, and it added the curly braces as the placeholder. And then I ran the script again and I got an error message. I told it the error message. It told me that, oops, it didn't realize that it did that, until eventually, after 7 or 8 tries, I ended up getting my complete script here, created entirely by Gemini, and I ran it, and finally, upon my final run, it created the document that I wanted for the Google Doc, and it also ended up creating my PDFs the way I wanted them created as well. So when I opened up my last PDF file, it looked exactly the way I wanted it to, and it actually emailed this document out to the appropriate email address, jinmontetest@gmail.com. So I went through a series of iterations with Gemini until I finally got my script to be run the way I anticipated that it needed to be run. And that's how you can use Gemini to act as a coder for you and the purposes that you have.